So like you said, it affects so many black men for one, and like you said, it affects their credit. You got guys coming home from prison, coming home with debts. They're not able to get back on their feet, not able to get their license,
Right.
and sometimes they still paying for debts for something 30 years ago.
And I'm glad you mentioned the prison thing, because during the time that they're in prison, there could be arguments that the debt continues or what have you. But let's not forget one thing about child support. When they give you whatever the order is or where they establish what you owe, they have to show that you have a present ability to pay. And by the way, Kevin, let me make sure I clarify this. I can only speak really well on Florida because we're in Florida. And by the way, you had mentioned it before and I was about to forget it, Kevin. Child support is a state issue. It's not a federal issue. It's governed by federal law, but domestic relations issues are state issues. And if you go into the federal court in most cases and you want them to address your child support issue, or you try to remove your case, they're going to tell you no. And I know you guys that have been familiar with federal institutions, they're going to tell you the federal courts have no jurisdiction over state actions unless the state action directly affects a federal right. And when it comes to domestic relations cases, the federal courts tend to, and you all write this word down, abstain from state issues.